In this project spotlight, we look back at the roof installation for The Barn at Crystal Spring Farm, a beautiful wedding and event venue located in Franklin, Indiana. In the fall of 2015, Cornet Roofing was hired to install a 24-gauge standing seam metal roof on the large wooden facility. Each panel used on the barn's main roof, covered patios, and cupolas was machine rolled on site to the specific length required, eliminating any seams in the new roof. Using concealed clips and snap lock joints in the metal, the final roof had no exposed fasteners, and each panel was hand crimped at the perimeter to finish the detail. The final result was a beautiful metal roof that would last decades to come. Now, many years later, the Barn at Crystal Spring Farm is a beautiful wedding and meeting facility that hosts a variety of different events, including promoting local agriculture, educational workshops, and social gatherings. With a unique, gorgeous interior, rustic setting, and fine cuisine dining options, the Barn at Crystal Spring Farm is an ideal choice for events of all kinds. Despite having experienced many storms and weather events over the years, the standing seam roof has had no issues and looks as good today as when it was installed. The lifetime warranty on the metal surface ensures you'll never need to worry about color fading on your metal roof. For a premium metal roofing system that will provide decades of performance and beauty, call the experts at Cornet Roofing Systems for your free estimate today.